DEF is 32.5% automotive grade urea blended with deionized water. This is a very pure form of urea. It's easily contaminated as well. Most of your new diesel vehicles and equipment that are coming out into the market now will require the use of diesel exhaust fluid because they have a new SCR system that has been integrated into the platform. DEF is typically stored next to the diesel tank. Most of the vehicles and equipment that's come out, they place the DEF tank next to the diesel tank. Yes, DEF is safe to handle. It's non-toxic, non-flammable, non-hazardous. If you get it on you, it's easily washed off, but it's the mildest automotive functional fluid in the industry today. DEF is easily contaminated. You've got to make certain that those materials that come into contact with DEF are compatible. You can mistakenly take it off spec. Materials of compatibility are very important when storing DEF. There's an ISO standard that speaks clearly of what materials are compatible as well as are not compatible. Basically, anything that comes into contact with DEF needs to be made from the right materials or it can't be taken off spec. Diesel exhaust fluid freezes below 12 degrees, but on the vehicle or piece of equipment, it shouldn't be a concern for the end user. Those systems are set up with some sort of heating mechanism that will actually thaw the product out, and the equipment or vehicle should function without any problems. Typical shelf life for DEF is 2 years, provided you keep it within optimal temperature ranges. But if you keep the product between 12 to 86 degrees, you shouldn't have any issue. Most of the vehicles, as well as off-road equipment, are set up to consume 3 to 5% DEF to every 1 gallon of diesel. If you run out of DEF, typically there's going to be a derate of horsepower, but once that tank is replenished, those systems reset and that vehicle or piece of equipment should function fine. Diesel exhaust fluid is sold through most major retailers today, through the truck stop groups that are out in the marketplace, as well as commercially through lubricant and coolant distributors that are already in the marketplace.